Our topic today is Myth Busted. Why getting life insurance early is the smartest decision you'll make. Hi everyone! Alam mo ba maraming tao sa Pilipinas ang hindi pa rin sure kung kailangan ba nila ng life insurance o kung ano ba talaga ang benefits nito. What if I told you na ang hindi pagkuha ng life insurance ng maaga ay isa sa mga pinakamalaking risk na pwede mong gawin para sa pamilya mo? Before we dive in, I want to know saan ka nanonood ngayon. Let me know in the comments below para malaman ko kung gaano kalayo na ang naabot ng video natin. At don't forget to like, share, and follow para hindi ka mahuli sa iba pang content na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. Myth number 1, hindi ko kailangan ng life insurance kasi bata pa ako. Marami ang nagsasabi nito pero ito ang totoo. The earlier you get life insurance, the better. Bakit? Mas mura ang premium kapag mas bata ka at mas malusog ka. Life insurance is an investment not just for your peace of mind but for your family's future. Imagine this. Kung kukuha ka ng coverage ngayon, lock-in na ang mababang rate kahit na tumanda ka o magkasakit. Start young, protect long-term. Myth number 2, life insurance is too expensive. Ito ang madalas na objection pero ano nga ba ang presyo ng kapayapaan ng isip? Ang hindi alam ng iba, you can design your life insurance plan based on your budget. Hindi kailangan mag-break ng bank account mo. It's like having a financial shield for your family, ensuring na kahit anong mangyari sila ay safe. Fun fact, alam mo ba sa likod ng bawat policy ay may policy reserves na iniipon ng mga insurance companies. This means they are required by law to have enough funds to pay out benefits. In fact, dito pumapasok ang tinatawag na risk-based capital or RBC. It's a system na nagsisiguro na financially stable ang mga insurance companies para maprotektahan ng mga policyholders. Ibig sabihin, kahit anong mangyari, your claims are covered kaya bakit ka mag-aalala? Myth number 3, okay na ang savings ko, hindi ko na kailangan ng life insurance. Let's be clear. Savings and life insurance are two different things. Savings can be depleted in an instant, lalo na if you encounter unexpected expenses like hospital bills or loss of income. But life insurance, it ensures a guaranteed payout for your loved ones. So instead of relying solely on your savings, why not maximize both? Now, let's answer the common objections. Number 1, hindi ko priority. Kapag dumating ang emergency, hindi mo kailanman sasabihin, sana hindi ako naghanda. You'll never regret being prepared, but you might regret not having a plan in place. This is not about you, it's about your family. Second, kailangan ko muna i-budget. Understandable, but let me share this. There are flexible plans that can fit your budget. You don't need to go big immediately. You can start small and adjust as your income grows. The point is to start now while you still can. Let's get a bit technical pero stay with me kasi mahalaga to. Policy reserves are the money set aside by insurance companies to ensure they can meet their obligations to policyholders. Think of it as your company's emergency fund for your benefits. In the Philippines, the Insurance Commission regulates this reserves through RBC framework. What does this mean? It means that insurance companies are required to financially strong so they can cover their promises to you. You're not just buying product, you're buying trust. The truth is, life insurance is not for you. It's for the people you love. Kung iniisip mo, kailangan ko bang maghintay hanggang ang sagot ay no? Time is your ally here. The earlier you act, the more protected your family will be. Secure your future starting today. So I ask you again, saan ka nanonood ngayon? I'd love to know where our message is reaching. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and follow para matulungan din natin ang iba to make the right decision. The goal is not just to inform, it's to help you take action. Thank you.